In this video, we're going to show you the Backlinks Explorer module in Video Marketing Spy. As I said in the other videos, you may or may not have this module. If you haven't got the module and you want to upgrade, then please drop a ticket to www.client-area.biz and we'll be only too happy to advise you. Okay, so we go over to the Backlinks tab and we've got Backlinks Explorer and we've got bulk backlinks. The first thing that you need to do before you actually go into these is we need to go into settings. We need to go into Moz API details. Let me just pause the video while I take my number out there because I don't want to broadcast my Moz key, obviously. Okay, so hit enter Moz API details, and here you will enter your Moz API details, your Moz access, and your Moz secret key. You can click that link there to take you to the page to get started to sign up for a free Moz account if you haven't already got one. So let me just pause the video again while I put my key back in it. Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is we put use Moz API key on. You don't usually have to check this Moz delay, you don't usually have to change it. If anything happens that in your video insights, if you've got the module enabled and you're looking for the backlinks, if you've got any missing, then you can add that delay up a few seconds to see, if it improves it for you. One thing I've got to note, when you do use anything to do with the Moz API, then they limit us to one API call every 10 seconds. So if it does seem a bit slow, then it's not the software that's slow, it's actually Moz limiting us to what we're allowed to actually use and how fast we're allowed to use it. So come into the settings, click there and put your Moz details in, turn that on, and now we want to go to the Backlinks Explorer. Now we've got Backlink Explorer and we've got Bulk Backlink Explorer. Backlink Explorer will do one video at a time. Bulk Backlink Explorer, you can put one per line. Now that's handy because you can get a lot of people's backlinks in one go. What you've got to remember is if you're using a Moz free account, then there probably will be some limitations to how many credits you can use per month. You're going to have to check that out on the Moz site itself just to see if there is or how many if there is. And if you're using a paid Moz API, then obviously that's not going to apply so much to you. So in this demo, I'm going to go to the Backlink Explorer. You can only put YouTube URLs in here. You can't put different domains in, it's just YouTube URL. So you can paste your YouTube URL here that you want to get the backlinks for. You can click check backlinks. It'll only take a few seconds. And there you can see up to 1,000 backlinks that's pointing to that video. Now backlinks are key when it comes to ranking, and especially when it comes to holding rankings. And if you build the backlinks in the right place, then they can also help with traffic and views as well. So as you can see there is all the backlinks that's pointing to that video. Now the idea here would be, if this was me and I was competing, I can't remember what the video was about, probably drones or web design in my examples. If it was me, what I'd do is I'd get the backlinks from the top. I'd go to Video Insights. I'd do my search here. So let's say it was web design. We'll just do this quickly so I can show you a real life example. One sec. Actually, I should probably have turned check for expired domains off. It'd have been, oh, it is off. I'll say it'd be a bit quicker. So from this already, while it's still working, you can see that the first video's got 83 backlinks pointing to it. Now it's not just about backlinks, it goes a little bit deeper than that. It's also about the PA and the DA, so the actual authority of the backlink as well that matters. We will probably go into that a little bit deeper into the Facebook group at some point. I might even make a little course on video SEO, I'm not quite sure yet. And I've also got an idea about selling backlink packages. So if anybody's interested in that, drop us a line at the client area. Okay, so that's finished, and I'll just shrink it down so it's easier to see. There you go. So the first video's got 83 backlinks. The second one's got 860. The third one, 141. 487, 43, 16, 89. So, as you can see, backlinks when it comes to ranking really matter. Right, so that's the Backlink Explorer. Basically, you can click here and you can set your file name and destination for the file to save. So it can save all the backlinks for you in a text file. You can click here to clear the results. You can click that. If you turn that on before you do your search, then it's actually going to copy all the backlinks to the clipboard straight away after it's finished doing its search. So it'll just automatically copy it for you. And there's your save backlinks button for when you've picked your destination and file name. And that's the amount of backlinks that you found. Now, I won't do the bulk backlink one because it's just, it's just the same, but one per line. It does the same. It takes a little bit longer, not much, but that you've got the basics of how it works. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to check out the Facebook group. The address at the moment is in the changelog on the software, so when we do an update, you can see the changelog. I'm probably going to add it into the settings tab somewhere as well, probably down here somewhere. So if you're not a part of the Facebook group, then do join. We're going to be building it up as we're going along more and more. We're going to be using it for tactics and tricks and sharing stuff and, generally helping each other. It is a closed group, so it's going to be a mastermind. Got any questions, drop us a line, either in the Facebook group, or if you need official support, come to www.client-area.biz. Thanks again for watching.